Bosnya.
Ya.
Bosnya.
Ya. Ini bahasa Indonesia. Sorry. I understand bahasa Indonesia. You don't have to explain it to me.
The boss means someone you work
I know.
Oke, bro.
Are you sure?
Be humble, bro.
I am humble, motherfucker. You're pissing me off.
You know how you have a company?
I am.
Aku pengen
Udah,
cium pipi dulu boleh?
nggak usah. Kita harus lebih berwibawa.
Oh, oke.
Selamat datang di Maple Institute, sidang trick room. Tepuk tangan untuk kita semua.
Para peserta sidang.
Bisa lebih kenceng nggak tepuk tangannya? Oh, emang segini ya? Oke.
Di episode yang ke-6 ini,
Ya,
kita kedatangan mahasiswa yang pinter banget ya.
pintar berprestasi.
Kenapa tidak bisa dilakukan? Karena dia kredibilitasnya bagus.
Kita panggilkan dia kredibilitas.
Bukan, bro.
Peserta selanjutnya, The Panji, The Pragi, Waksono.
Yeah. Mari.
Mari ya, Pak.
Iya. Apa kabar kamu, Nak?
Baik, Pak.
Baik ya.
Wah, ini.
Senang banget kita akhirnya bisa ketemu lagi.
Iya.
Saya yang senang, Pak.
Wah,
Salam lagi. Ya.
ini terlalu sopan santun Mas. Ini mah jangan terlalu ini. Gimana? Kita kan udah kasih kamu cuti.
Ya, Pak.
Untuk
Lama loh ini kita kasih cutinya.
untuk
Bapak.
studi banding ke New York.
Betul. Nah,
Ya?
New York, Pak.
New York.
New York.
Oh.
New York.
Iya.
Oh, di Pacitan New York.
New York betul, betul.
Yes, Oxford.
Iya, of course.
Oh,
Of course.
aku kuliah di Oxford.
Oh, siap.
Kamu jangan meragukan saya.
Siap, Pak. Saya minta maaf.
Mas Panji,
Ya,
kita
Pak.
akan
Membahas
tentang
proposal nih kita
sorry.
jadi
Itu.
kita akan membahas tentang Mas Panji ini
Ya.
selama di Amerika ngapain aja
Ya.
dan apa saja yang sudah didapat dari Amerika
Ya, Pak.
Ya.
dan kenapa balik lagi ke sini
Ya.
Ya.
gitu.
Bisa dijelaskan?
Saya ke New York mau berkarir, Pak. Mencoba berkarir sebagai stand up comedian di New York.
Oh.
Ternyata seperti itu.
Ya.
Niat awalnya
Niat awalnya, betul.
sudah berapa
Berarti
lama?
awalnya coba-coba.
Nanti Januari 2 tahun berarti.
Januari
Januari
2 tahun.
Iya, udah 2 tahun.
Wow, tapi target kamu berapa lama di Amerika?
Selamanya sih, Pak.
Selamanya?
Selamanya.
Betul, targetnya selamanya. Saya niatnya mau kayak Sintayong kan di sini kan
Oh,
juga
iya.
bakal manjang tuh, Pak. Nah, saya juga di sana bakal manjang tuh.
Berarti kamu di sana akan melatih Egy Maulana Fikri juga ya?
Enggak juga. Kan Egy Maulana Fikri nggak ada di New York, Pak.
Oh ya.
Iya.
Sintayong tadi.
Tapi saya rencananya pengen selamanya. Saya pengen menetap di sana.
Pengen menetap di sana.
Betul. Tapi
Citizen
lagi
ya,
ngebangun
jadi.
karir.
Lagi ngebangun karir.
Ya dapat green card lah setidaknya. Jadi masih WNI tapi dapat izin menetap. Kalau sekarang saya pakai visa kerja, Pak.
Orang Indo pun banyak yang pengen permanen di sana.
Lumayan, di New York aja orang Indonesia ada 6.000.
Wow, sudah mulai
Iya.
tidak betah di negara sendiri.
Betul. Itu kalau dikumpulin satu istora tuh, Pak.
Benar.
Tapi pernah ketemu orang-orang itu?
Oh sering ketemu. Tapi nggak pernah nonton acara saya. Mereka pada nggak mau bayar untuk nonton saya.
Berarti manggil
Mereka
kan-
sibuk kerja soalnya, Pak.
Manggil aja, Panji! Gitu.
Oh, ya enggak. Nggak, biasa aja mereka, Pak.
Oh, gitu.
Iya.
Tapi
nggak gitu.
foto bareng.
Mas Panji.
Oh gitu. Oh manis.
Iya,
Ya,
Tapi
ya,
boleh tahu nggak sih orang-orang Indonesia di sana tuh kerjanya biasanya ngapain?
Hampir semuanya kerja di restoran, hampir semuanya. Kerja di dapur tepatnya.
Ya.
Tapi kerja di jadi pegawai bank gitu nggak deh?
Nggak tahu. Oh, ada orang Indonesia jadi kepala polisi.
Wow.
Nggak bohong.
Jadi Kapolsek.
Iya, kayak Kapolsek, betul kayak Kapolsek. Orang Indonesia, lulusan ITB bahkan tepatnya. Jadi semacam Kapolsek New York.
Oh, berarti dia ada babinsanya New York.
Tahu
ya?
nih, nggak tahu, Pak.
Ada babinsanya daerah Washington
Kurang
DC.
paham.
Iya,
Karena
iya,
kalau
iya.
di New York itu kan kepolisian itu di bawah gubernur, jadi hitungannya sipil. Jadi siapapun bisa daftar jadi polisi asal ngelewatin prosesnya ya. Iya.
Nah, kira-kira apa yang menggagas Mas Panji ini membawa komika-komika ya, komika dari
New York.
ke
Ya.
Indonesia untuk apa? Ada pertunjukan ini ya, Huge in Indonesia.
Betul sekali.
Boleh nggak dijelasin tuh huge in
Iya
Indonesia?
sebenarnya tuh itu usaha saya, kan saya punya perusahaan Pak namanya Comika.
Oh ya.
Kami itu mau mulai mempromotori komika-komika internasional. Tapi kan siapa kami tiba-tiba bawa Kevin Hart, gitu, bawa Jerry Seinfeld kan mulainya dari yang kenal dulu aja.
Iya.
Akhirnya saya bawa teman-teman saya, ini adalah cara kami untuk membuka bisnis internasional. Terus kalau mereka happy, mereka bisa cerita sama komedi-komedi lain dan jadi lebih banyak. Ini sih gitu Pak. Dimulainya dari teman-teman terdekat saya.
Sebuah gagasan yang menarik. Namun
ya.
ini-
Namun, ada namunnya.
Namun
Ya.
namanya juga kan, orang Indonesia.
Yes.
Pasti kan berbeda kultur
Betul.
dengan orang Amerika.
Ha-ha.
Seberapa yakin kamu mereka akan kocak di Indonesia?
Kaget. Cukup yakin Pak, karena mereka udah open mic 3 kali.
Oh,
Mereka
dan
3 kali open mic, pecah semuanya.
Pecah
Ya, dan
semuanya.
semua orang yang nonton, ngelihat mereka. Saya tadinya khawatir pada nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, tapi ternyata terhibur aja, lucu-lucu banget mereka.
Gitu?
hebat.
Ya saya happy, saya sangat
Berarti
happy.
ini keyakinan kamu sudah 100%?
Ya, saya sangat yakin mereka akan menghibur. Huge in Indonesia nanti tanggal 23 Desember akan pecah. Di Bali by the way.
Oh,
Di Bali.
Di Bali, ya. Nah, Mas Panji ini kan ngebawa teman-teman dari Amerika ke Indo. Nah, akan sebaliknya nggak kayak bawa kayak Joe Sandi?
Kenapa
Limbat?
Iya.
Kenapa Joe Sandi? Anda? Joe Sandi, udah lama nggak denger Joe Sandi disebut-sebut. Joe Sandi.
Mungkin bisa membawa Rumingkang.
Rumingkang dibawa.
Ya di Amerika itu bisa nggak teman-teman? Mas Panji kan pasti kan besar kan di Indonesia.
Iya.
Sangat bisa, saya sangat yakin bahkan.
Rumingkang?
Bukan.
Oh.
Saya stand up comedy Indonesia.
Stand up comedy, iya.
Kalau ke New York, karena beberapa udah waktu itu Oza Rangkuti pernah, Marcel Widianto pernah, Uus pernah nyoba.
Marcel Widianto?
Marcel
Pernah
Widianto.
nyoba,
Oh,
nyoba.
abangku.
Jadi saya rasa sih, saya sangat optimis sih komika-komika Indonesia lain ketika ke New York juga bisa pecah.
Siapa aja nih sekarang untuk 3 lah kandidat
Iya.
orang Indonesia yang
Kalau-
bisa dibawa ke Amerika nih?
Iya.
Mo Sidik, Regi Hasibuan, Annie Yang.
Sorry Oza.
Sorry,
Lu
Oza.
nothing.
Oza.
Sorry, Oza.
Kamu nothing.
Ya, kamu stay aja di USS.
Ya, Anda berantem dulu sama SJW Indonesia.
Iya.
Dan yang kasus yang terbaru, kamu harus minta maaf ya kamu.
Yes.
Di komen
Saya samperin kemarin, Mbak, tolong. Saya bilang gitu. Goblok lu. Itu udah lama bang, kata dia gitu. Goblok lu,
Iya,
goblok
iya.
lu, Sa.
Dia memang karirnya sudah mulai menurun ya.
Bagus, mati aja karirnya. Biar di penjara kayak Aulia Rahman di Lampung, tau gak?
Oh tahu. Yang itu kan, itu ngeri banget ya ternyata ya.
Tolol dia juga. Tolol lu Aulia.
Oh lu?
Iya.
Oh.
Kalau anak-anak komunitas di bawah saya mah saya tolol-tololin.
Oh, iya.
Kalau saya kan,
Gitu. Gak apa-apa, mereka tolol-tololin aja, Pak.
Tolol.
Gitu.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Sorry, sudah.
Oke,
Nah, ini kita
Kita
nggak
lagi
boleh
lagi
Maaf,
serius
maaf.
ya.
Maaf, Pak.
Huge in Indonesia. Nah, kenapa diberi nama Huge in Indonesia? Apakah mereka terlalu besar?
badannya postur badan mereka tuh besar-besar atau mau kan mempunyai nama yang besar juga.
Niatnya itu mereka dibawa ke Indonesia dan di Indonesia mereka terkenal gitu kurang lebihnya. Saya tuh pengen banget bilang sama komika-komika Amerika terutama bahwa Indonesia tuh pasar.
Itu sebuah tujuan mulia, tapi Mas Panji udah ngasih tahu belum ke mereka kalau ada juga yang dari luar negeri cuma akhirnya tidak laku yang hits, yang yes, if you love me say, ada boyband hits,
Ada hits
dari
tau nggak?
Saya
Korea.
nggak tahu.
Ada dari Korea,
Ada,
yang
dari Korea.
bertahan cuma satu aja.
Tapi kan akhirnya berantem gara-gara si yang Koreanya ini berantem sama orang Indonesia.
sama orang Indonesianya.
Iya
Oh gitu.
Iya gitu. Nah sekarang orang Koreanya sekarang bertahan jadi komedian.
Iya.
Hah?
Iya.
Iya,
Oh,
iya.
jadi komedian.
Kok belang?
Iya sekarang jadi komedian. Siapa namanya?
Ini.
Park Jisung. Siapa yang namanya?
Apa sih?
Salah.
Ada serius.
Oh,
Jadi itu. Tadinya boy band.
Tapi kan banyak kan Pak. Bapak tahu Mofats nggak?
Enggak.
Kamu jangan di tes.
I miss you like crazy. Girl, I'm so down.
Nggak tahu dia.
When your love's not
Lu nggak tahu ya?
around.
Lu nggak tahu?
Jadi, mereka besar di tahun 2000-an, mereka tinggal di Bali sekarang mereka. Nyanyi, bikin konten, jadi kalau sekarang mereka nyanyi di Bali, ada air terjun, terus mereka nyanyi-nyanyi gitu.
Nggak basah alatnya.
Hah?
Alatnya nggak basah. Kan dia terjun.
Enggak, agak jauh.
Oh, agak jauh.
Nggak di bawahnya dong.
Ya, kamu kan sudah lama di
Amerika.
Amerika.
Iya.
Kamu tahu nggak bahasa Inggrisnya air terjun apa?
Waterfall.
Kamu 1 tahun jalan 2 tahun di Amerika masih belum tahu.
Iya,
apa.
bawa
Air
orang.
terjun.
Air
Iya.
terjun.
Waterfall, Pak.
Wow, it's not easy.
Apa
You're
dong?
wrong.
You wrong.
Apa dong?
Tahu?
Water terjun.
Yeah.
Anjing. Water
terjun.
bangsat. Nggak water terjun
Oh,
dong.
you don't even know that.
Yeah.
Water
You
terjun.
don't like this lah.
Upsi.
Lucu banget lagi, Pen.
Your intellectual is
Maybe.
zero.
I'm sorry, I don't
Maybe
know.
you have a long time in America, but I am the penemu. The finders.
Yeah, the finders.
The inventor.
The inventor.
The inventaris dia.
Bukan,
Yes.
Pak, bukan inventaris, beda lagi.
I am a TU.
Apa tuh?
Bisnis tata usaha.
Anjir, norak banget.
Oke deh. Aku akan ngetes bahasa Inggris aku
Ya.
secara serius.
Ya.
Kita akan memanggil 3 mahasiswa lagi,
Ya.
yaitu ada Kevin Sanchez
Rashad Bashir.
and Joshua Palet.
Guys.
Bagus. Ya. Ya nah.
Oh shit.
Ya.
Oh shit.
Yes. Yes. Oh yes. Good. Anak-anak baik, anak-anak soleh.
They're well accustomed with the Indonesian culture.
Oh yes. This is a Japanese
Salim.
culture.
Yes,
It's a
the Japanese culture. my
Japanese
bad.
culture. Salim.
Traditional culture.
Yes. You know Wika Salim?
No, they don't
It's
know we can say it.
same thing like a Salim.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a super
Singer.
hot Indonesian
Super
singer.
hot.
Her name is Wika Salim.
Wika Salim.
Where is she?
For
Did I
whatever-
meet her?
Where is he?
No,
Where is he? I don't know.
no, she's not
Maybe on
there.
Instagram.
But her last name
Yes.
is this activity. It's in so.
Yeah.
Ah, she's got smooth hands.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Not just hand.
Everything about her.
Everything about her. Smooth.
Shout out Wika Salim.
okay.
Shout out Wika Salim.
Yes.
Call us. Apa kabar Wika Salim?
We have welcome food.
Welcome food.
Yes.
We have a welcome food from 3 guys. You?
Yes.
You, okay.
What kind of food?
Pelayan.
Yo, I used to eat this when I was a kid, yo.
What?
It's called kue cubit, which means what's this word?
Pinch.
Pinch.
Pancake. Ow.
Pinch
cake.
Then how? No.
Pinch
Pinch
cake.
cake. Yeah, pinch
This
cake.
is the pinch cake.
Pinch cake.
This is a
egg roll.
And yo, this is actually like an omelet, but a small
omelet?
version of
Yep,
an
yep,
omelet.
yep.
Yeah, this is okay for you.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
I never say no to eggs.
Yeah.
This is good.
Yes.
Very, very.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I used to eat this
Yeah,
a lot.
yes,
Oh my
yes.
god.
And
But usually kids in elementary eat these.
Wow.
Yeah. They sell it outside the school.
What? So I'm a giant baby? Is that what it is?
No, no. This is good, right?
Don't eat the stick. I'm not gonna. Oh,
This is from Bekasi.
salty.
I've been bring from Bekasi to Tangerang.
They don't know the context. So,
Bekasi is
It's long distance.
Very far.
yeah,
Very far.
Not really.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're
Everything's far in Indonesia.
saying, yeah,
Yes.
facts.
Yes.
Facts.
But your face is so far. Indonesia muka lu jauh. Ini Betawi accent.
So in Indonesia,
Yes. Jelasin
there's a
mas.
saying.
Doesn't mas? Dekat mas.
Enak nih kalau ada yang ini.
There's a saying in Indonesia. It's mukelu jauh.
Yes.
If you translate it to English, it's your face is so far away, but it's a term to describe. Get the fuck out of here.
Yes.
It's almost like that.
Yes.
Mukelu jauh. It's like, come on, man. Get the
All right,
fuck
I'm
out
leaving.
of here.
No, it's just.
kidding.
Kidding, just kidding.
Kelu,
Kano.
kelu alo rajin. Like get the.
Keluar lu anjing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna question.
Okay, first of all,
Finish this though?
I finished one.
Oh,
Oh, just egg. You don't need it.
oh, tinggal di New York tetap aja tinggal satu nanya lu.
Iya benar.
Masih nggak enak kan?
It's still Indonesian culture. The last thing I have to ask.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Very nice. How you not gonna ask the maestros, the teachers? You gotta ask them too, no?
Fuck them.
Fuck them.
yes, fuck us. Fuck us. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's the question.
Okay, first of all,
Do you make a living from stand-up comedy, or do you have other jobs that?
support your passion.
Yep.
Well, obviously, I haven't made money doing stand up in New York yet, but Rashad is full time.
So yeah, I do stand up primarily full time.
Oh.
Yeah. So that means I am poor.
Okay.
But
doing it for the art, right?
yeah, I do it for the art, and so yeah, I quit my job. I was working at a toy store. That's where
That's where I met him.
That's where he met me.
Oh.
So I threw the boomerang and it comes back, and he was there and he was recording me.
I was recording. I was taping him from my phone.
And then I think like a week or two later, I go to an open mic, and he's there, and he was like, "Yo, I was in the store. I saw you throwing a boomerang," and then that's how we became
So
friends.
asik lu di sana ya.
Anjing.
SKSD.
Yuk, nggak boleh ngerekam asal.
I was trying to, I was trying to make friends, and so that's why I said that. I was like, no, but I did saw him, and Rashad is very good, and he does blindfolded boomer throwing, right?
Yeah, so I blindfolded myself, and then
And then he caught it, so it was
That's
amazing.
cool, bro. Cool AF.
But now you quit.
Yeah, so
sales.
I quit, and now I'm doing stand up full time, and I am here in Indonesia.
Yes, sir.
Doing comedy.
But what Rashad fails to mention is that he's rich in Indonesia.
Like.
He's rich from his last paycheck in Indonesia.
When I found out how much money I had in rupiah, I was like, yo, where's the ani-anis? People
Yo, but
was like,
for real, except Josh, because Josh is married.
I'm married.
Sure, he's
too,
married.
so,
No, but you'll be looking for Ani Ani.
no.
No.
Everybody's looking for Ani Ani.
This is how good of a guy Rashad is. This is how good of a guy. He goes, "Kev, you single?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "I'm a millionaire here. I got the Ani Ani Isas for you." So I haven't spent a dime.
Rashad's paid. So, what about you?
I am a full-time comic, but I'm the way I'm able to afford to become a full-time comic is I've been dating white women for 5 years.
Mas yang ini susah mas. Banget, itu tadi. But I respect is.
Bisa artiin nggak sih?
Iya.
Tadi kita nggak lu ketawa loh.
Iya cepet banget.
Dia full time stand up comedian, tapi kan stand up comedian nggak ada duitnya. Jadi cara dia dapat duit, dia pacaran sama perempuan-perempuan kaya.
It's your dream, right? It's your dream?
Not really.
No, not him, maybe.
Not him, but I.
Yeah. And Josh is a.
I'm in severe debt. but I married a doctor.
Oh, the Doctor Strange.
That's right.
Fucker, not Doctor Strange. That one lives in Bleecker Street.
Okay.
That one lives in Bleecker.
I'm sorry, Dory Strawberry. Yos.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Lanjut.
Apa lanjut
You were
answer.
saying, that's what she said.
Oh,
You were
yes.
saying?
She's not from America, so
That's facts. Which I was like, that's real deal.
Yeah, that's love. That's better.
Yeah.
Jangan bantuin gua lah.
So,
Lu tanggung jawab, lu
yeah,
datang
so,
sini ke skripsi.
Josh kawin sama dokter.
Ya, kalau itu saya ngerti.
Dokternya orang, where was Honduras?
Honduras.
Dokternya orang Honduras. Jadi,
Oh, Batak.
utang dia ditutupin dengan menikahi cewek, tapi ceweknya dapat kewarganegaraan Amerika gitu.
This is
It's so hard to
win-win
say to you.
solution. Win-win
Yes,
solution.
this is how we do business in New York.
I want to join. I want to join too.
You want to be Kevin single?
Marry Kevin.
It'll cost you 50.
No.
Marry Kevin.
No.
Kevin like them
Okay.
big
Okay.
bitches.
Thank you.
Thank you for the
Answer.
We move next question. Ya.
Question.
Okay.
Susah bener.
Can I smoke in class?
It's a free brother.
Yes.
Free. Okay. Nganu Mister.
Manu mister.
Okay.
Next question.
Okay. Is it challenging to become a stand-up comedian there?
Ya.
It's extremely challenging.
Yeah, very hard.
Toughest place.
The
It's,
hardest place.
So New York is the capital for comedy.
Oh,
That's where you
okay.
go to like build your art up to make your joke stronger.
The best is there, right?
Yeah, all the best have gone through there. Every comedian from across the world has gone to New York once in their life. That's our mecca for stand-up comedy. You cannot do stand-up. You cannot do stand-up great until you do it in New York. that's where you test yourself.
And if you're bad, you go to another state and you're the best.
Max. Max, it's almost like here in Jakarta.
Yeah.
Kalau lu gagal di Jakarta, lu ke tempat lain, tapi lu gede gitu. Ngerti
Yeah,
maksudnya?
benar. Why do you believe in Panji and choose to join
Huge in
the News in
Indonesia.
Indonesia?
too.
Why
For you
For you guys.
Panji's awesome. He's hilarious.
He's
Wes, mantap.
Mantap ini.
Panji!
Panji.
So, I want you to know, in America, bang does not mean like Mr. Bang means bang.
Oh, bang.
Bang.
Dance.
People keep telling me, oh, say bang Panji, bang Panji. I'm like, no. No.
Can you say Bang Panji?
No.
He's not
So
his type.
tell him this. He's not my type.
Oke.
So, your
Lu
type
bukan
is-
tipenya lu.
Kalau ini kalau nggak ngerti, lu bukan tipenya.
Iya, ini kalau nggak ngerti ya. Ini kita translatein aja.
Nih, kalau nggak ngerti, nggak tipenya.
Maksudnya, ini kalau bang tuh di sono tuh bukan bang.
Iya.
Gua ngerti anjing.
Apa?
I understand.
Sorry.
Explain it to me.
Bang is kan nyetor duit, the setors duit.
I know my mother. I know what it is. You're the one who can't speak English. I speak English. You can't speak English. What are you doing?
Oh my God, this is wonderful.
tapi jujur banget nih jujur. Aku takut banget sama mas yang di belakang kamu sebenarnya.
Oh, Kevin? No, Josh?
Yes.
Josh is an animal, yo. His father is a gangster.
Was a gangster.
real. Was a gangster, yeah.
Can you tell us?
He is also a gangster.
About my father?
Yes.
What do you want to know?
Yeah, what do you want to know?
About the strip club or
No,
guy
that
wanna
your dad
chip
used to
under
have
the
a
table,
strip
yo.
club.
When
Yeah.
I was a kid, my father had a discotheque, nightclubs.
Yes.
And when I was 11 or 12 years old, he told me he has great news. He's gonna turn the club into a strip club.
Oke.
Which is weird.
And then
and then
So the
you
family.
watch the pole dance on your 11.
I was telling Panji, one of my earliest memories before he had a strip club. I was like a 4-year-old on my father's shoulders, and he walked into a strip club with me because he had all friends in the business. And I was a little kid, and I walked in, and you know the breasts were all out, and I went like this. I was wearing glasses back then, and I said, "I'm hungry."
Because the boobies are out.
ya. Nah ini mau kasih tau nih kalau dia ini
Gue ngerti, nego. Gue ngerti. I speak the language, motherfucker. You guys don't.
Takutnya
dia
mispersepsi.
waktu kecil pakai kacamata.
Ngerti gua.
Ditaruh bapaknya di sini.
Gua juga denger tadi. Denger gua.
Sorry, I'm sorry. My
No, it's
friend
okay.
is not understanding.
I know. It's the dialect. That's
Yes, dialect. Maybe.
You guys don't speak English. I'm the one who speaks English, okay?
Sorry.
I'm supposed to be explaining this shit to you, not you to us.
I'm sorry.
Aduh, sorry.
Angry.
I don't understand what he said.
You know it. You want to start the guy, man?
Exactly.
No, I was when we were doing podcast.
Yep.
I told them that I find them hilarious, and I really believe that Indonesian would as well.
Yep.
Because I was like, I'm gonna find a way to bring you guys to Indonesia, and I remember because I saw this post that was from the Mac Almanac podcast, their podcast that I was doing, and Debbie,
My wife.
his wife was like. She said that she loves it.
She wanted to come.
Yeah, she wanted to come to Bali, but obviously we couldn't bring her to Bali because Josh offers want to fuck bitches here. No, but
It's okay, no problem.
So, okay, no problem.
No problem, mister. It's okay.
My wife will kill everybody in this room.
but yeah, I saw there's a lot of comics that I believe is going to thrive. Is going to be huge in Indonesia.
Yep.
If Indonesians get to see them perform, it's going to be huge. And they did several shows, 3 shows in a row.
Some of the best crowds I've ever been.
Yeah,
The
they're
best response.
Awesome. They're awesome, and so I really believe in them because I've seen them, and hopefully in the future I can bring more near comics. And if you want to go back to Indonesia, obviously we'd love to have you back. But there's so many comics that haven't really had the shine that I think they deserve to get. They can just come here to Indonesia, then Indonesia would love them. And this place is your home as well.
Oh, that's really sweet, man.
Well, we ain't leaving. We're not leaving.
We should do the Jordan Belfort tour.
Aja ngomong kita
No, I just want to use because so that they would understand. I don't want to be speaking.
Tenang aja.
kita mah ngerti. We understand.
Talk too much, motherfucker. It wouldn't stop. Oh my God. It's just not the thing.
You got to bring that energy back to New York.
Yeah, this what you have, man. You have to
I'm a
bring.
different person there. I feel like
Too nice.
It's the temperamentality I have.
You, Panji, you gotta let the tiger out of the cage.
You know kan?
You don't like that.
You don't like that lah.
Let it out.
Gue tuh masih minder di sana tuh. They don't want me to be minder in New York. They be like, yeah.
Nervous.
Say it again.
Yeah, because you said I was too humble.
Too humble.
There's an Indonesian word for it, and it's not really humble. It looks like humble, but it's not. It's more like, it's not like shame. It's not shame. It's like not shy
Soft.
as well. Just
Like very preserved, very.
yeah, preserved because for the most part, Indonesian don't want to offend people as much. They want to. We want you guys to love us.
So I tell Panji, when you go to New York, it's a very tough city.
Yep.
So you got to be able to fight fire with fire. If you're gonna say something that's like very like you feel like it's offensive, you gotta own it.
Commit.
You gotta commit.
And if you ever feel like that, there's a term we use, right? It's something that it comes from within. And if you say it, you feel better. It's called dipset.
Oh my
And that's
God.
for everybody in here. Everybody, whenever you feel it, like, yo, I don't want to offend people with my success, you be like, fuck out of here, dipset. All right? Say it with me. Fuck out of here, dipset.
There you go.
Ini buat teman-teman yang di rumah.
That's how you put
Imagine people back in New York be watching this. Like,
Hey, yo, Killer Cam, hit me up.
We're going to come back next year. Everyone's going to be saying Dipset all over the country.
Yo.
Buat yang belum ngerti teman-teman di rumah, nih habis ngerilis single sebuah lagu.
bukan salah, bukan itu.
Ini
Bego emang.
bandnya ketomprang ini memang sudah
Bukan salah, bukan itu. Bego lu semua.
Okay.
Next question.
Okay. I want so I got the question.
Where did you study about Indonesian before?
Going on this
Going on this tour.
This
Nothing,
guy.
actually.
No, this guy.
I've been studying the language. So in my comedy, I try to connect with people through language, and the more language that I know, I can put it into my set. So I can do half English and half Bahasa Indonesian.
Yep.
So it helps because you can't understand what I'm saying, but it makes it even better when I say a word or phrase in your language. That helps me bridge the gap between you and I.
Yo, for Indonesian to hear somebody say Bahasa Indonesia instead of just Bahasa, it means a lot to these people.
So I have a very good appreciation for you because just like Panji, I don't want to offend anybody. So, because Americans are very arrogant.
Yep.
Because we feel like we're the center of the world. Like we were at the airport at
That shit
customs.
was
and
hilarious.
What happened?
This Bulego block.
She
Remember the lady?
Yes, she's at the custom table
To get the visa.
and the guy behind the table was like, "Oh, you need a visa." She's like, "What are you talking about?
I have my passport.
I have my passport. I'm American." And I'm like, "This bitch."
But you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? The guy behind the counter was like, this bitch. Yeah, he said it with his eyes and eyebrows.
So sesompral itu ya berarti mereka.
We have to, as an American, I have to be able to surrender my ego.
Yeah.
Because I'm not in America.
Yeah.
I'm here with you. I'm thousands of miles away. So anything can happen. I could get kidnapped by some guys on a bike and like,
Yeah, but they're just gonna bring you to a basketball court and show them how to dunk.
no, they're not gonna do that. But my father always tells me you you're from America, but represent yourself. You're a respectful man, and always learn the language and be kind, and always be open to learn anything and everything that they teach you.
Can you draw anything? I can read your personality.
Yes.
Sure.
Jadi selama kita wawancara, kalian you guys three, you can give a draw on this paper.
Draw
anything?
Okay.
Anything. I can read your
Personality in one line. Okay. This is not good. Yeah. Maybe we can skip.
Drawing.
It's okay. Before closing.
Before closing, and this is
Okay. Move to your friend. What impression are you trying to leave behind from this tour?
Rashad is the greatest.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
why?
That's me, because I do a very good Barack Obama.
Oh,
You know, you like Barack Obama. Yeah, he likes Barack Obama.
Yes.
Sate,
Hey.
baso.
My fellow Indonesians. I would like to say, when I become your president, I will build sidewalks for you in Jakarta. I thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Sasha, Malia, I want to thank you so much. Terima kasih.
You know what? I just when you do a Barack Obama impression, make sure you put in the word sate and bakso.
Yes.
Sate.
Sater,
Bakso.
baso.
Yeah. And
Pulang kampung nih.
yeah, because
Sater, baso.
because Barack Obama was here for the first time since he left Indonesia, and he did a whole speech in English. But Indonesians only remember the part where he said sate, baso, and that's it.
Yes.
And that's why you should put in sate and baso in your impression. And it would kill.
Sater, baso.
Yeah.
There we go.
Just say it
All
over
right.
and over.
One more.
One more.
Pulang kampung nih.
Yeah.
That's how he
Pulang kampung
opens
nih.
it. So he went on
Pulang
stage.
pang,
No, Pulang.
Pulang
Pulang.
kampung.
Kampung.
pulang kampung.
Yes. Nih.
Pulang kampung ni.
Yeah, that was his opening line,
Well, what does
and
that
it
mean?
killed.
What does that mean?
I'm back.
Oh, let's go.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh,
from this one.
Actually,
That's it, Obama.
This is annoying, bro.
That was on. Yeah, you're closer. So I
love this guy.
Gue jambak nih gue.
say what was.
Honestly, Indonesia left a great impression on me. So, yeah. Hey, fuckos. I'm trying to answer the question.
I've been watching you.
Fuck up. This is my show now. Take off the goddamn shirt and give it to me.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, mister.
Sorry,
Yeah, this is my mistake.
You sorry me?
You sorry me?
No, you forgive me.
I'm sorry you.
Sorry you.
Yeah.
No. Fuck yeah, these fuckers. Yeah.
Okay. And then?
The impression I want to leave Indonesia is that I'm coming back.
Oh.
Oh.
Go. Not you, Josh.
I wanna leave the impression that Indonesia will never be the same without me.
You are guys. It's cool. Ya pasti gimana? Lu keren banget bang. Gitu gimana sih bahasa Inggrisnya?
You're cool.
You're cool.
Your guys awesome.
Yeah, you're
Nah,
awesome.
seperti bahasa Inggris gak usah ini lah.
Soalnya amazed. Gue amazed.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
You're so charming, bro.
Yes.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Trying to get in your pants, man.
We're Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace.
How sweet the sound.
How sweet the sound. Okay.
Hey, Panji, he sounds like a wedding singer, dog.
Okay, before we close,
Yep.
I have one question.
Last question.
Last question.
Oh.
Thank you. Can you like this? Thanks
Thanks
you.
you.
Yes. This is a gang sign
Gang
of
sign.
us.
What's your gang sign?
Yes.
Of us.
Not thank you, but thanks you.
Thanks you.
Thanks you.
Thanks you. Yes.
Thanks.
Thank
No,
you.
he said the producer back there. Like, no, him. He's like, no gang sign, no gang sign.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
This guy is sotoy. In Indonesian is
What's so toy?
Sotoy.
What's so toy?
sotoy.
Doesn't know shit.
He doesn't know shit.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Kalau nggak mau pasir ke kita, punya iPhone nggak? Iya.
Gitu.
Okay, what will you bring back to NYC from this tour? My English is very
Kevin's
good.
bringing back. Yeah.
For me, I'm bringing back a lot of personal growth and experience.
Okay.
So I can, now that I've educated myself, I can educate others
Oh, that's nice.
on not to assume about people in a different country, but to learn and to embrace them before you get there.
Okay.
So you can be prepared.
Oh,
Ani.
I'm bringing back this pinky ring.
Oh yeah.
I bought this at Pasan. Is that how you say it?
Pasar Santa.
Pasar Santa.
Pasar
Santa.
Oh.
I went to Pasar Santa and I was like, this shit is speaking to me. And I'm gonna go out to New York, and when the pinky's up, that means get the fuck out my way. I'm coming.
Jadi dukung Amerika guys katanya.
I'm also gonna tell people, I'm also gonna bring back the knowledge of this isn't Thailand. Everyone is everybody's like, everybody's like, be careful with the lady boys. And I'm like,
that's not.
That's-
so. That's the
just
thing
because
with,
the girls look that way, you know.
So that's the thing about. That's the thing with Americans. If they don't know, they just assume.
Yeah.
That's the thing with Americans. If they don't know, they just assume and then they insult. And I'm like, you can't do that, because if y'all come here and they be like, oh my God, it's Ja Rule. Like, no, like why would you say that to my mother? Like, why would you do that? Why?
Mama Bashir, nobody said that. Mama Bashir, nobody said that.
Nobody said that, Mom. My mom comes in here like, oh my God, it's Aretha Franklin. Like, don't do that. Don't. So
Oh shit, Patti LaBelle.
Oh my god. Yeah.
How about you,
How about you, Josh?
Bestie?
I'm bringing back a Komodo dragon. The New York is very dangerous, but I'm pretty sure if I walk around with a Komodo dragon, I'll be all right.
Mau pelihara komodo katanya guys.
You be going places slow though, because you don't look like
Ya,
this.
kalau nggak ngerti dia mau bawa komodo.
Gua ngerti. Gue bisa bahasa Inggris. I speak the language.
Nggak, soalnya di Amerika tuh nyerem nih.
I know. I heard it. Okay.
Ya, jalan aja.
Snack
kalau-
time.
Oke. Oke.
Tapi lucu nggak?
Lucu.
Yeah. You guys should watch us perform in Bali December 23rd, huge in Indonesia.
Bali.
Yeah, Bali in Southeast Brewing Co. And you still can get the ticket. Download the app, Comica Event, and you can buy. First recharge is 179,000 rupees.
But you get 100,000 drink or eat voucher.
Facts, yeah.
Okay.
And also you can watch it live stream
Yep.
from the Comica Event app. And for you guys, we have a promo code, and the promo code is
Balak Turis.
Bule Nyasar. Bule Nyasar. That's a 20% discount for live streaming tickets. Bule Nyasar.
Bule Nyasar, okay.
Use that promo code, get the 20% discount, and you can watch live stream from wherever you want to be.
Oke, thank you.
The Boss Maple, can you give
me a ticket from Jakarta to Bali, and Bali to Jakarta, and Damri to Bekasi? Can you, Boss Teddy? The boss in Maple have a Tesla.
Tesla.
Oh, no.
We were talking about it.
Oh, 3 cars.
3 cars. First one is Wuling.
Yes.
First one is
in
Wuling. You know Wuling?
Wuling.
Like
not a Tesla,
electric
yeah.
car.
No.
Electric car.
Oh, the first is
that,
Wuling.
That's
The first
that's
Wuling.
fact.
And the second one.
And the second
The
one.
first one is a Wuling.
Wuling.
And the second one is Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes.
Mercedes. Okay.
Because
The feng shui is not good.
is not
if
good.
he ride the car, the Wuling.
The Wuling star.
Yes.
Then-
And then
Wuling is also Wuling is a Chinese electric car.
Yeah.
Oh,
Channel.
And then the
Mercedes-Benz,
Mercedes-Benz, and third is
Tesla.
Alphard.
Alphard.
You know Alphard?
Where the fuck is the Tesla?
It's
Hold on.
wait.
Okay,
You
so
don't be angry, Mr.
okay.
Mister.
So the third is an Alphard.
Don't play bosku.
Alphard, you know.
Mine was good. The third is
Alphard.
Alphard.
Yes, and then Alphard is only for this her wife, him wife.
His wife.
Him wife.
So the Alphard is only for his wife
wife and the children.
and the children.
To jemputs.
To pick up them from school. To pick up them from school.
Pick up from the school and the athlete
They go back.
go back and home and this datang datang ke Maple, come to Maple with Alphard.
With
But
Alphard.
the boss,
The big boss.
The big boss.
You're nothing in here.
one and only,
One and only.
there, the boss, the boss.
He's saying the boss.
I know. I understand. I understand. I speak the language.
You don't understand.
They understand. Bosnya,
Yeah.
bosnya.
Ya. Ini bahasa Indonesia. I understand bahasa Indonesia. You don't have to explain it to me.
The boss, right? Tesla.
The boss means someone you work
I know.
Okay, bro.
Make it short.
Be humble, bro.
I am. You're pissing me off.
You know how you have a company? You're the boss.
I am. What you were saying?
Udah nggak seru, udah.
It doesn't
It's
matter.
not fun again. It's not
It doesn't
fun already.
matter.
It's already not fun because this the punchline study.
Yes.
Later, udah susah lah. rengat. You know,
Okay,
rengat is converse headache.
Headache. In Japanese is a mumet.
Mumet, jelimet, and ruwet.
Mumet.
Oh my god.
Yes.
That's moment.
Mumet.
Ruwet is more.
Yes.
Ngejelimet.
It's a three level. Mumet, ruwet.
Banyak ngomong bisa lagi lu ya. Bangsat lu berdua lu. Berisik banget bangsat. Ribet banget jelasin mumet ruwet bos.
Kita harus tahu kultur.
Tadi kultur Indonesia.
Kultur. Okay, before we close, the three guys have
Draw on this paper.
On his paper.
First one is Josh
Josh.
Pallet.
Yes. This is
It's a rabbit.
it's a rabbit.
Rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
This is our rabbit. Oh, like that.
He's saying it like this. This is a rabbit, but the mouth is
Oh yes, rabbit. The mouth
yes?
is small. It's small.
Look at the big ears.
Oh yes,
The
that
biggest ears I've ever seen on a
Yeah.
rabbit.
yes.
I like big ears.
Yes.
Big ears. I like big
You like
ears.
big ears? Big ears is not young in height because the rabbit is sad.
The rabbit is sad, yeah.
Sad.
Sad is when you were.
Yeah.
Fucking Kevin, I understand.
Yes.
I understand
I think
everything,
the
okay?
personality is cabul, ya?
Yeah. Pervert rabbit.
A little pervert. Nah, this is you, Kevin, Sanjaya, nih.
Yes. The S is Kevin. S that
Sanchez.
means Sanjaya.
Sanjaya.
Jaya.
A
Badminton.
very famous badminton
Yes.
player. World class.
World
Do
class.
you know Kevin
World
Sanjaya?
champion. No, they don't know. They don't know badminton. They don't.
We play real sports.
Oh,
Baseball, basketball,
shit.
football.
Yo,
Itu dia
that's
suka-
gonna be crazy.
Dia suka-
suka main Hot Wheel.
Salah.
Badminton, goblok, badminton.
Yes, deep set, ya.
Deep set.
The personality is your okay. Yes. Your tegas bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Strict.
You're so straight. Eh?
Strict.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes, you're so strict.
And then your so imagination is good.
Yeah.
Yes, your nalar is menteng-menteng.
This is your personality reading skills.
you didn't
Yes.
get Josh's personality. You forgot. What did you say?
Oh, pervert.
Pervert. Oh, I didn't hear.
Oh, a good pervert.
A good pervert.
Yes, Oxford. Nah, this is Boomerang. You
Yeah.
draw this? Okay.
You draw this?
Your draw is very good.
Yes.
Yeah, what's
Okay.
his personality though?
This personality. Okay. He like a win.
Win.
Oh,
Okay.
No wind, no rain. You know, no wind, no rain. Gak ada angin, gak ada hujan.
So it's an Indonesian joke. You know. I'm sorry, my friend is dumb ways to die. Nah.
dumb ways to die. That's fucking. No, it's not. He was talking about himself.
Your personalities are like win. You like move everywhere. You like explore yourself. Yes.
You like
Yes.
Yes, Oxford. Nah, and then if you throw your exploration, you can come back your home. Maksudnya, ceritain nih. Maksudnya kalau misalkan dia nih mau kemanapun, dia tuh selalu ingat rumah.
Yeah, so wherever you like to explore, but wherever you go, you will return back home. Just
This
like
is
a boomerang yourself.
this is a real my read because you guys draw ngasal.
Yes.
It's not.
Yeah. He said he can't really read your personality because you fucked up your drawings. That's what he's trying to say.
Yeah.
But it's okay, but it's okay.
This
It's
is
okay.
just.
Hey, fucko, you told us to draw anything we wanted.
Yeah.
I said anything.
Okay.
I saw that,
Okay.
but you don't.
Oke.
Semoga kalian mampu mengharumkan nama Maple Institute.
Thank you, Professor.
Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih banyak. Panji Pragiwaksono and friends graduates from Maple Institute. Okay, we pray just not huge in Indonesia, but huge in America.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good
Good
luck.
Mr. and Bestie.
Bestie.
You know Bestie?
Thank you. Yeah, we know Basti.
Oh yes. Okay, thanks you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, and
Cut.